Hey, yo, Orator, call that nigga Wale. Tell that nigga to call French Montana. Tell French to call motherfucking Meek Mill. Tell that nigga let me hold this beat one more time. Nigga MMG, what up? Rolling up on them 20s, hoes all over my car though. Getting bitches that Lucy, Black Ricky Ricardo, Gucci that Prada fireworks in this bitch. Tell them hoes that go on my bottle, they gon' die thirst in this bitch. I supply the work, niggas talk, I got a murk. Fresh to death, I buy the hearse, I fuck the bitch, you buy the purse. Fuck nigga, I ain't starting no fuck nigga. 28 to my truck nigga, cut the track, what's up nigga? You don't ride for them bucks nigga. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen going ham again. We ain't throwing bottles, nigga, we gon' get them hammers in. Tony Parker suing, real niggas know that that's hoe shit. Oh, you single nigga, put this new dick on your old bitch. I been high since 06, I been rich since 08. Since Wale had short hair, I been popping that rose. Hey, what them hoes say? Hurricane, he run the town, walk in the club with 100 rounds, let my niggas in and we shut it down. That's Colony on Monday, Roxbury on Thursday, Toxic on Saturday, till Orator, I ain't mad a day. Gray stones in my chain, Gray Stone on Sunday. Bad bitches in the line outside, you gon' get in one day, bitch. You wasn't made for this shit. So many chains on me, they think that a slave in this bitch. We throwing money everywhere, got J's on, I don't never wear. Got a bad bitch from Delaware and that Darion shaking derriere. Whoa, Nelly, where the fuck is Nelly? Got a bitch yelling EI, while a nigga watching Belly. Got a bitch that love T.I., got a bitch that love Tucci. Tell him Sue to the B.I., tell him hold us all Gucci. I got Louis, I got Louis, nigga, my life is a movie. Popping bottles like I'm D-Wade, tell him send me like 3 spades. Pizza rock, coconut, cranberry, open up, then we necking that trunk. Real nigga, I'm gone.
Chain all BS, I ain't with the BS. Catch me in the city riding hard through the BS. Skinny nigga, but I do it large like a 3X. The last nigga tried do me wrong, he checked. Right back to that money, slinging O's in the PJ. I'll probably catch a mileage while the pilot stay the PJ. Cause we next and we flex like 90 PS.
Working all night, no breaks or recess. Vroom, vroom, yeah, I know my car sound like a T-Rex. Bitch, I'm 23 years old and I ain't riding in the Prius. My cousin finished school, can't believe he graduated. Threw him $20,000, told his ass congratulations. Cause me? I wasn't made for that shit, but I could probably hire him and who I paid for shit. And to all the hoes that was dissing, I pray to God that you see me. I'm on the yacht getting hella high, smoking good that seaweed. Bad bitch and her cha-cha, grabbing on her cheese. $1 million deals on my email. You mad as hell you ain't CC. Shane all VS, bitch you know it's BS. Boy I run my city.
In the story nigga PS, all white Maybach, Green Bay they pack. Y'all niggas was slacking, remember them hard nights me trapping. They say life's a game of chess, you can play checkers all on my jacket. Cause it's Damier and we bonds away on all y'all big rappers. I say yeah nigga, I murder that. Panamera is turtleback. Niggas say they want beef, well where the fuck is my burger at? I got white, was serving that. I been to jail, ain't going back. I oop your bitch off that bad boy, she throw it back. I slam dunk in that pussy. Blake Griffin your hoe, nigga. Made back with Rick and Ross, my chain rock like I know. Jigga, that's cause I do hoe. Shout out to my new hoe, that pussy pink like Nouveau, and I dog that.
Niggas won't talk, what they gon' say? I hit the pedal to that motherfucker break. Celebrate, freaky bitches love the money I make. And to live like this, you motherfuckers gotta pay. So let that shit burn.
Let that shit burn. I'ma let that shit burn. Let that shit burn. Gasoline. The roof on fire.
Oh God.
I'm only getting higher. Rats all in my pocket. All them bottles. I'ma let that shit burn.
Bitch, I had one shot and they blood. Riding till the wheels fall off and they tore it. I got green on top of green, damn it's looking like I grow it. Deep town, the hood behind me like a king cobra.
Burn bitch, I let it burn bitch. My money straighter than the motherfucking perm bitch. No navigation, you can see that is my turn shit. Shorty give me all that brain and still ain't never learned shit.
Oh, that's your girl? Damn nigga, you ain't learned shit. She naked in my studio, I'm on that Howard Stern shit. Yep, I swear that Mac 10 is my barbell. Finally famous the cartel. Hit your girl on my whip and now that pussy got the new car smell. Same shit, different day, I ain't broke no more, it's a different day. Don't turn me down, I got shit to say. My perp strong like it's lifting weights. It's shine down, super shine down. I got a bad bitch with them pom-poms. My rollie don't tick-tock, your shit sound like a time bomb. Boom. Little bitch.